Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Todoist. If you're a student, working professional, or someone who just forgets things easily, Todoist can seriously change your life. It will cover how to create tasks properly, project sections and productivity filters, and task advanced feature like reminders, priorities and activity logs. And make sure you watch till the end and let's get started. So what Todoist is a task and project management app. You can use it to track daily tasks, plan studies or work projects, manage personal goals, remember deadlines, build habits and the routines, and it work on mobile, laptop, web browser and everything syncs automatically. So we are going to do it in a laptop, and make sure you already have a web browser. You can open any of the web browser, and after that in the top you can see there's this address bar. Type down todoist.com and enter it here. And once you get into this interface, what you can do is select open Todoist, and you can also sign up using your email, Google ID, Apple ID. And once logged in, you land on the home screen, and this is your main dashboard. And let's understand the layout first. On the left hand side we can see all of this task, inbox, today, upcoming, filters, project. Inbox is where your new task go by the default, and today here with the task due today. In the upcoming right over here, it's the future task calendar view, and in the filters and labels here advanced organization happens, and in the projects, all of these projects over here on the bottom is your folders for the task, and in the center area here, this is where your all task appears. On the top bar, you can select the add task right over here. You can also search any of the tasks, and in the profile or setting over here on the top left, and how to add a task. First, what you can do is you can simply go to this small bar that says add a task, or you can simply go to this icon that says add a task. Simply click onto this add a task here, and you'll see a task input box. Example, you can finish your homework tomorrow, and you can simply type down what do you want to write it over here. And Todoist is a smart, it automatically understands your tomorrow due date, 7 p.m. reminder time. And you can also put in any of the date, your description if you want to. And in the task option, we could see there's an option for the date, priority, projects, reminders, labels. And in the more actions here, you can go to here, you can find the label, location, deadline, add extension. And after you're done with the task, if you want to edit your task action, you can do that as well by simply going into this bar. And in the priority over here, priority is a Todoist uses 4 priority level. P1 is for the very important and the urgent. Once you open to this P1, we could find this all of the important urgent priority levels. In the P2, which is important, P3 is the normal, and P4 is the low priority. You can use your priorities to avoid the mental overload. And in the projects, you can example with cursor of the personal, work, study, YouTube, fitness. And how to create a project is once you open to this task here, you can select add any projects, add a task, and you can name it, you can add it, you can also choose your color. Once you write it, you can simply double click onto your text here. You can change your font size like this, how you want it, and you can also choose view list board. And in the section inside the project, you can find example, your study project, and this keeps everything clean and clear. And in the labels, and over here, once you go to this 3 dot icon, we can find the labels here. Labels are like the hashtag. Example, you can give urgent, home, online. You can use it with the @ icon here. Once you type down the label, you can type down your home. You can select create home, and the home has been added as a label to one task. And later click a label to see all the related tasks instantly. And you can also do it views, which is the today view, shows only tasks due to today, is perfect for daily focus, upcoming views, the calendar style view. In the top, we could find this display here. Once you select with this, all the find list board and the calendar here. In the date calendar here, you find your reminders, calendar tomorrow, this week, next month, calendar style view for your day. You see your task, and this helps you plan ahead instead of panicking later. And in the reminders over here, just beside the priority, this is for the time based, location based, where you arrive home, perfect for the habits. Example, for your daily regular habits, your everyday time, and Todoist handles the rest. And in the filters here on the left hand side, filters and the labels, this is for your due today plus the high priority work task this week, overdue task. Filter let you see the specific task only, and you can create custom filters if you want more control. And in the activity log and the collaboration, you find the activity log on the top. Go to your profile here and go to the setting and go to this activity log over here. You will see all of the tasks that you have completed, all of the changes that you have made, project updates and collaboration that you have made, all of the people that you have invited for the project, team, friend, family, assign task and tracks progress together. And if you want to go to the settings and the customization, go to your profile icon again here. Once this pop-up menu opens, what you can do is go to the settings. Over here in the settings, we could see the changing the theme, enabling productivity, streak, set default reminders, manage notification, connect integration. And over here on the account setting, over here, that's fine, your name, your email address. If you want to change your email, you can select to this change email here. You can type down your new email, and you can confirm your new email and Todoist password. And If you have forgotten your password, you can select this icon that says forgotten your password. And once you click that, you will get a Gmail code and you can sign in from there as well. If you want to change your email address, you can also manage your password. If you want to turn on your two-factor authentication, which is the secure function for the authentication, you can simply select this icon, enable it, and over here what you can do is you can scan or copy the secret code here. After you copy the secret code, you'll get a verification to your Gmail, and you need to enter the verification code right over here and select to continue. And that's how you can do the two-factor authentication as well. And after that, on the left hand side here, we can see the general icon. Once you click into this general, this is one of the most important section. This is where you can control your language, home view, date and time. Over here you can choose your language preferences as per you want. With your language one, you can simply select to this language and it will automatically set the language in your preference. And over here you can also change the date and time zone which you want, time format, all of the setting here. And on the left hand side again, we can see there's a theme section here. You can choose the light mode, dark mode, moonstone, tangent, and all of the set. And you can also do it system default if you want, and choose what feels comfortable for your eyes. And over here we could find the reminders settings. Once you get into this reminders, you can set your default reminder time, choose how early Todoist reminds you. Example, 10 minutes before the task, 1 hour before the task, and this is perfect for the meeting, classes, deadline. Todoist will remind you automatically without the extra effort. And to do that, you need to upgrade to your Todoist. And in the productivity right over here, this section is for the motivation. You'll see the productive streaks, karma points. You can turn streaks on and off here and set daily task goal. This is great if you love tracking progress, staying consistent. It makes productivity feels like a game. And in the integrations bottom here, once you click into this integration, this allows Todoist to connect with other apps, popular integration, Google Calendar, Gmail, browser extension. And if you connect Google Calendar, your tasks appear alongside with the events, and this saves time, avoid double planning here. To add the integration here, you need to select to this integration and automatically all of the integration will add. After that, you can also go to the display setting in the top right over here, and you will find all of the layout, your list, board view, your calendar here. And if you want to toggle on this completed task here, once you toggle on, all of the completed tasks will appear as well. And if you want to sort with your grouping, sorting manual here, you can also filter your date, priority, and the label. And if you want to reset it all, you can select this icon on the bottom that says reset all. Here all of the layout will be reset. And if you like a minimal design, you can also choose a cleaner layout. If you want a board view, you can select this board view. And if you want to prefer with the calendar view, which is the upgrading version, you can only use it once you pay to your Todoist. And in the comment section just beside the display here, you'll find all of the comments are used inside the task. Comment allow you to add notes inside a task, leave message for yourself, communicate with teammates. If a task is submit assignment, you can add a comment like due on Friday, PDF format, email. And this keeps extra information organized without cluttering the task title. And in the comment setting, you can control whether Todoist notifies you about the comment, whether replies, triggers, alerts. And this is useful when you collaborate with others. Tasks are shared in a team, and if you work alone, you can keep this minimal. That is it. This is how you can use your Todoist in your laptop. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want Todoist for your work, advanced automation tips. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.